Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Chrome. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Google Chrome open up here, right? So what you can do to update it, just come here to these hub banger icons right here, these three dots right here in the corner. Just click on that, and then once you are on there, click on come to help, right? Click on help here, come to help, and then this tab should be opening up. Now just click on about Google Chrome, right? Click on there. Now what you click on, as you can see, if you're already connected to the internet, it's starting to check automatically for updates, right? Checking for update, as you can see, is like checking for new updates automatically already. So let's just see, it's now checking. I'm just going to fast forward until it's done. So now, as you can see, it's updating right there. This might take a while. As you can see, now it's updating. So this might take a while. As you can see, it's updating Chrome at 1%. So it's updating automatically. As soon as you click on about Chrome, it's starting to update automatically. So I'm just going to fast forward this until it's done. So now, as you can see, it's at 100%, right? So it's done updating. So now it's just rounding things up, right? Nearly up to date. Relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So to finish the update, just restart Chrome. So you can see, you can click on relaunch, right? So that's how you can update Google Chrome. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give the thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.